Welcome back viewers. In this video we are going to work on pagination in your website, and we limit how many products we will display in first page. Then there will be numbers, then user will click next and the numbers which page he wants to visit. Let's start. First of all, open terminal and then cd to desktop. Inside desktop, project name is my shop. I will go straight my shop, and from here I will open my VS Code. I just minimize it. I will run the program here, Python run.py. Now our program is running. I will just go to VS Code and start coding here. Well, first of all, we have to go here in product, inside the product, then the route, and here you can see in route. I will minimize this. This is our home page. You can see this is our home page. We will do here inside just home page. I will write here page equal to request dot odds dot get, and we will get here page, and then here will be the default of page 1, and then we will define the type of page will be integer int. Only this one line of code. Then we will come here where we are querying our products, and here dot paginate and parenthesis. And what will we do now? Here we will just write page equal to page. As you can see here, we are giving the brands equal to brand, and now we are getting this page and passing here. And then here we will define how many pages we will display in first time. There will be per underscore page equal to, first I will display here 4, only one line, so we can see there. And we are almost done from here. Just go to here in product, then inside the products in index. So first of all, I will do it in main product. You can see here in main product we just have to add one thing, dot items. Will limit our products. Now if you go here, you can see there is our all products. If I refresh the page now, you will see we are just limited with 4 products. We don't have this links here for the pagination. We will start doing the pagination here below. So here you can see after int 4, before the int if, after int 4 I will do this pagination. I will write here curly brackets sides and 4. I will give it like name of page underscore num in. This is here you can see for products. I will just take this one, products dot iter underscore page with s, then parenthesis, and then I will just come here and in this 4. If I print this page now, you can see the numbers are there. They come here, double curly brackets, then page underscore num. Now if I go to my page, if I refresh, now you can see here 1 2 3 4. We have 4 pages here. You see, if you come to in route here, we are displaying 4 pages. Instead of 4 page, if I display here 6, you can see the number will be less. And before we have 1 2 3 4. Now if I refresh, you can see we have 3 here. But this is not good example. Even there is a gap, the pagination should come here, not there. What will I do now? Solving this problem, I will make for each one in separate row. This row is start from here. I will end this row after this int 4, and then start one row here, and just I will come here in this div and start new row, and then come to this int 4, and then after int 4 I will just close this div, and then I will here start new row again, and this row I will start it before else if, not inside, should be outside, and we will end it after the loop. So then now else if I will come else, and we are ending the loop here, and I will just in this div here, and then I will create new row here and put these all inside this row, and inside row should be there also. I'll make one and call also dot call and cut these and put it inside this call. Now if I refresh here, you can see these all are coming down. Last thing here I will do, just make this in center, text center, and then refresh. You can see the text are in center. Okay, now what we do to make it as a button, I will give this one bootstrap class and a, and just we will link it later, and now give it hashtag, and I'll cut this one from there and put inside this a. I will give it a bootstrap class btn outline will be info. Now you can check these all are looking like a buttons, you see, and I will make them btn sm to make them small, and also I will give them empty from margin from top 3. This will have now this gap and they are looking now small. Now the main thing will be here, when we are on the page, button should be info color. So this button background should be info like this. So what I have to do now, first I will give here one condition inside here and double curly brackets, then if page num, then we will do that, and else we will just make some points. So you will see it later, then you will understand what's going on. And then 1, 2, 3 dots, and I will come here and in that if, and if, and then I will give another if for the page we are on currently. That will be if products dot page equal to this page num, then what will we do, and then else, here this else, and here I will end that if, the new if, end if, and I will just copy this and paste it here. If page products page equal to page num, then we don't need that outline. I will make it only info. We are in the first page, and now to do it in the URL. So for URL it will be simple. I will just give this URL for URL underscore for, and here we will have home page, and then comma, then page equal to page num. That's all, and I will just copy this URL from here and paste it here. Now if I refresh, I go to here, and now if I click the page number 2, you can see in bar you can see question mark page number 2, and here is page number 2 is highlighted. If I go to page 3, and now here we have 1, and here see this 3 is highlighted, and here question mark and page number 3. If I go back, so now we will do next and previous for this, and what I have to do, this will be simple, and I will make it before the iter page. So, and I have to write here that curly brackets, then if products dot has underscore prev, if our products has prev, then we will display that, and I will come below first. Let me end that if, then I will just copy this down one and come to between here and paste it here. This we don't need. Right, previous, these all are, and I will remove from the after page. Then I will just type here products dot prev underscore num. If product has prev, then we will show this one, and we will go back as one by one, and I will copy this part and paste it after that int 4, and I will paste it here, and instead of prev we will do here the next. If our product has a next, then we will display that next. If it doesn't have, so we don't need that next, and instead of prev, and here will be next. Save and come here and refresh. You will see we are in now first page. We cannot see the previous here. We can see only the next here. If I go to click the next, you see we are now in second and previous is here. If I again click the next, you see we are in 3, so we cannot see the next. If I go to back previous, you see now our previous, next and pagination is final from here, but we have to do here in brands and category. If I come to here in brands, you can see we don't have a pagination. Suppose if I go to Apple, you see here we don't have pagination. So what I have to do now, this will be simple. I will just come and copy this row from here and I will paste it after this row. You see, when this row is ending, I'm going to paste row here. And now what we have to change, you can see here we are get prod. So I will come here and everywhere is written product. I will change with get prod. Paste, and here inside the URL, paste, and for the previous URL, paste it here also. Now you will see we will face here one problem, and I will come here, copy this page and come to here in categories. We will do for the brands also, before I'm doing in categories, and then this part of pagination. And here you can see we are querying add products. I will just come here and paste this pagination and save it. What I have to do, come to an index. We didn't do that product dot items ruler, and then you see it is a home page, and here we have a get categories. So change this home to get category, and then again now you see if I go to categories mobile, and now this is the value of the page. Did you forget to specify ID? We have to put here one edition ID. You can see here we have this ID. So what I will do, I will just do here ID equal to, here we are outside the loop. So we will get the problem of this one, and I will go back to here in route. I will do another query now, and here I will come after the pagination or before pagination, doesn't matter, whatever you want, you like, you can do it. So I will just do here get underscore get equal to, and we are getting the categories dot query dot filter by ID equal to ID of this category, and we are equaling this ID of category here, the ID of whichever the ID is coming, and then dot first or underscore 404. And now I will just change this category ID to category ID to this get, and here I will just change this. I will cut the ID and category to get, because if you go to here, you can see in the model we have this category here. So we will get category and brand, not that we can get this by backref. You can see here the backref. Come to here, and now I will go copy this get and come to here in index. Now I will do ID equal to get dot ID, and I will just copy this get dot ID. I will paste everywhere here and wherever we are having this ID. So now another thing we have to do, I forgot before. So now if I come back here and you see, yeah, this should be comma. I will put this comma here everywhere. And now if I refresh the page, get is not defined. This get we are here in categories, and I will come and paste this get here, get. I have to paste this get past this get here, and now int ID. It has no int ID. I should have removed this ID here, and now you can see we are here in categories. If I go, you see here the category 2 and then 1, and I will come back and do the same thing for the brand, and here I will just write get underscore B equal to, and I write brand dot query dot filter by ID equal to ID that we have already there, then dot first and underscore or 404, and we have this one is here. And now what I will do, I'll do that same thing as the page equal to a request will be dot orgs and dot get, and we will get here page, and then here will be default of 1, and then type will be equal to int, and I will just remove this one to brand, and will be this one will be equal to get b, and then I will do it this pagination here, and this will be paginate page equal to page, and then per page equal to 6. We are here in 6, and then get b I will pass here to get there, and this get b is, and then I will come, and this is the row. I will just copy this row, all row from here to here, and come to after this end 4. After this row ending, I will paste so here for the brands, and what I will do now, you can see we have here that brand. I will do everything as change get prod to the brand here, that brand, and this should be get b, get d should be b, not d, and I will change it to b, the brand it should be b, and here will be also b, otherwise we will face the error. Now this one is get b, and here get I will write the b, and this one also I will write b, and this prod I will change it with brand, and this here is brand. Now for the previous, and here will be brand. This one also will be URL. I have to go in route. You can see here we have get brand. I will come here and change this get category to get brand. And now let's try if we have some kind of error or not. If I go to here in brands Apple, the request, there is problem of spelling mistake. This should be E here, request args. Pagination object is not iterable. Now we have to come here in brand dot items. So now it is iterable. We can see, and here is our page. If I click it, and we are in brand 1. And now the main thing here will be we should not see this one. If there's more than one page, then we should see, and that one. And also if we go to here in this line, I will just come to for the main page, change this 6 to 3 to see many pages, and I will do one more thing here that we can see the newest page first. And here I will do one more thing just for that, and I will just dot order underscore by, and then inside there I will write copy this product dot id dot desc, then parentheses, and then if I come here in the all products, you can see this is the newest pages are here, because then here we have also too much paginations and things. What can I do now? If we have a lot of pages, then this line will get bigger. So now we will just display these numbers, also should be few, not too much. So for that, what I have to do, I will come, I know this video is getting longer, so we have to finish everything here is possible, and I will come here in index, the last page here you can see, then we will copy that one to everywhere, and you see here I will come inside the iter page. I will just write here left underscore age equal to 1, and then I will write here right underscore age equal to 1, and 1 from right edge and 1 from left edge. And then we will do here, after that I will write here left underscore current equal to 1, then also we will write the right equal to current, and this will be equal to 2. So now if I go to and refresh, you see here we have now these three dots, and here only we have one. We will display three from here. If I go into next, you see still too many pages. If I go to page, I will just make it one to see it better. If I'm not going now here, you see we have here 13 pages. Now here you see two from here, one from here, and three inside here. Here you can see the numbers. So now I will go to back, make this one to 8 because we have there 8 pages, and then come to here in iter page. I will just copy this part and put it inside this iter page, and then also I will put it this iter page. Last thing we will do here, we have this 8 page, and here you can see now if I go to Rado, you see here we have one item. Still we can see this. So I don't like if we have there 1 and even 8, we shouldn't see this. If we have more than 8, then we can see it. So now in the categories we will try to do it, and the brands and man page also. And just before this 4 and the previous and these things are already there, we cannot see. I will make here one if brand dot total is greater than 8. Because we are now here 8, and you can see the int 4 is, and I will end that if after this end 4 curly brackets percentage and then end if. So now if I go to in brands, you can see here we don't see that 1. You see the 1 is not there, and I will apply this one to other tools also. I will come here if I will make a copy of this dot total is greater than 8, and then end if. The last one in the product curly brackets, then if products dot total greater than 8, come here and end that if. So now we are done. Now if I go to, now we cannot see any in here because we don't have 8. If I go to categories of mobile, spelling mistake here. Now if I'm here in categories mobile, we have only this categories in mobile. Here now you can see previous and next. Hope you get something from here. Thank you very much. That's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.